gotta let the blicky hit you if you stroll up. Now put your hands up, it's a whole lot. Run me the money.
Hi guys, welcome back. All right, so yes, it's my birthday today and I wanted to give you guys a get ready with me. So I'm starting off with my hair. I got this lovely package from RPG Hair today and they sent me this cute little note just wishing me happy birthday. I also got a Christmas card and a regular RPG Hair card, just giving you more information about how to care for the hair and stuff like that. Now this is the actual wig that I got. As you can see, this is a blonde wig, right? This is definitely what I wanted, and this is the Nicki Minaj inspired blonde Brazilian virgin hair lace wig. Now this is 26 inches long, inches for the birthday girl. Yes, so this is what I wanted, and as you can see, this is how the inside looks. They only did dark roots for the center because it's a center part wig, but you can part it anywhere you want. So what I'm gonna do right now, I wanted to darken the rest of the roots. So I wanted to seal the lace so that the color doesn't get on the lace, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So I used my Got To Be Free spray for that, and then I proceeded to mixing up some sienna brown from Adore along with some conditioner because I didn't want the brown to be as dark as the part in the center there. Now what I realized with sienna brown is that when I apply it to blonde hair, it gives off this pinkish look, which I did not mind, and I knew this, so that's why I used it. So this is gonna give me more of like a blush blonde vibe at the end, or mauve blonde vibe, and I did not mind. So yes, the middle is going to be as dark as that. It's not going to change, and I did lighter roots, but at the end, trust me, it came together. I know it looked kind of crazy at first, but I knew it had to come out good. This is how it looked after I colored the roots. And then today I also decided to try out this method that's been trending, the watercolor method of just coloring your hair. So I got super hot water, boiling hot water, and threw it in this pan, and then I applied whatever was left over from the coloring earlier on, mixed that up into the hot water, make sure there were no streaks, no lumps or anything, and I added some more from the bottle, and I pretty much just mixed it around and ensured that everything was diffused properly within the water. Then I took the wig and I first dipped the end in and kind of, you know, look at it, see how it looks. And as I said before, I expected it to give off a pinkish look. Now I know pink is not my favorite color at all, but I don't know, my short wig, my short bob, I don't know if you guys remember that short bob I wore in my recent wig lookbook. This definitely, that inspired me, so I wanted a longer version of that. So that was the aim basically, and I knew that sienna brown is what gave me that look. You know, it wasn't actually pink color. So yeah, so I then, you know, after just dipping, eventually the entire wig was submerged in the water, and as you can see, as I pulled it up, the water got lighter. That's because the hair is a lot of hair, so it sucked up the color, and then I had to add more color to the water and then dip again for a second time. And I mean, I love the way it came together. It did not come out like solid because I did not want that. I like when the hair has highlights and lowlights. I like different dimensions. It's kind of like makeup, you know, like highlight and contouring, you know. Basically I'm just moving on to styling the hair. So I then just proceed to taking my hot comb, and I always do this to lay the front of the hair so everything just looks really laid and like it's coming from the scalp. And then I pretty much just wanded up the hair. I left it to air dry before I moved on to the styling portion as well. I did not blow dry it, I air dried it. Maybe if I was gonna straighten it, I would have blow dried it, but nah, I was just one curling it up, and this took a while. I also forgot to mention to you guys that the watercoloring did not take long. It really didn't. I left it in the water for probably 2-3 minutes. I really did not let it stay long because I didn't want the color to be too super loud or anything. So I really love the way it came out. I love the results. So after I wanded up the section, I took a rod and kind of just wrapped around each section and let it sit, and then I proceeded to just doing that to the rest of the wig. And yeah, so I'm just gonna pretty much move on, apply this, and then move on to my makeup portion, which is now. I already went ahead and primed, guys, and I decided that I wanted this portion to be a chit chat. I did my brows off camera. If you guys need a detailed eyebrow tutorial, one is linked below. And I just applied primer. I applied moisturizer and primer. I use my Cover Fix blurring primer, which is what I've been sticking to since lately a lot. It's really nice and mattifying, especially if you moisturize and stuff, and like, you know, if you're oily. So basically, as I speak to you guys right now, as I film, it's not yet my birthday. It's hours before my birthday. So yeah. So okay, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. I'm not sure if I'm gonna dwell on talking about the makeup that much right now, but I'm currently just gonna have a little family night. You know, we're gonna go to church. Yes, we're gonna go to carol service. Last year was pretty entertaining. I'm just doing a nice little soft glam, but this is basically my birthday upload. So yeah, I'm really loving this hair, guys. I can't wait to let it down to see how it, you know, reacts, because you guys know it's straight hair, as I said before in the previous clip and stuff. But so, you know, initially I planned that I wanted to go out tonight, but guys, I had so much work to do. Like, I've been working all day. I am tired. Like, literally, I've been working on a lot of stuff for the past week. Like, right now I want to sleep because I went to my bed like 4 a.m. this morning. I was up editing my vlogmas. Before that, I was customizing some wigs. Well, no, before that I was styling some wigs. Yeah, I've been following through with a very steady skincare regimen, and it hasn't really changed that much. It's just that I made one small change, which was moisturizing more. So I have pretty much like combination skin, but like since recently, like, my skin got really dry, especially after having that bad breakout. Like the other day, this area was horrible. I think I filmed a video, I don't remember. It was horrible. So I ran out of my Dodo Ocean soap, my black soap. I got that back and I used my Vanity Planet with it, and I've just been moisturizing with this here. I've been moisturizing with this. This is the Shea Moisture Black Soap Problem Skin Moisturizer with tamarind extract and tea tree oil. Okay, it's pretty cool. I love it. It's been doing my skin really well so far. I don't think I'm gonna switch from this anytime soon. But yeah, as I was saying, I wanted to go out tonight, but because I've been so busy, that's not gonna happen. A lot of events are coming up in the week though, so like I'm definitely going to be going out. So guys, if you're not following me on my vlog channel, you need to go ahead and check it out.
When I respond, so on for sell out and turn switcher. Rich will get richer and richer. Line too short for we meditate on a stack the dollar, make it bigger and go richer and richer. Richer and richer and richer. Richer and richer.
So what kind of vibes are going on? So yeah, so that's where I'm heading to tonight. Tomorrow, as I said, is my birthday, and honestly, I'm gonna go and do some shopping. I'm gonna shop tomorrow, and so when you're seeing this video, I'm out on the road. I'm out shopping and stuff. So that's my plan. So far for the Christmas, it's been very busy for me. You guys remember a couple videos ago I was talking about how Christmas is lit in Jamaica. It is. Trust me, a lot is going on right now. Honestly, guys, I have not done any Christmas like present gift shopping as yet. I haven't done any gift shopping as yet, and that's weird for me. Like, I was so caught up this year. I've been so caught up, like a lot of work. Sometimes you just lose track of time, especially like if you work for yourself. I wanted to go to this event, but it's today as you guys are watching. There are two events happening, a day party and a regular party in the night. So I wanted to go to the day one, but the thing is, I did not know that event was a day event. I thought it was in the night. But so far so good. I am just really grateful that I lived to see another year. Like, a lot of people didn't make it to see this day, and I have to just be grateful that I am still here. I'm still alive. Like, honestly, I'm not the person that has ever been like super like, oh my gosh, it's my birthday, you know. That's not me. That's definitely not me. But for the past couple years, I've been trying to go out and do stuff, because honestly, usually I'm a person, I'll just stay home and clean and not do anything for my birthday. But I'm like, you know what, I should at least celebrate the day that I came into this world. You know, I've been trying to do stuff. You know, things don't always go as planned. As I said, tomorrow I wanted to go to an event, and I don't think it's gonna happen, but I'm gonna be on the road. I'm still gonna go out, and I'm gonna do what I can. I'm still gonna have fun, and yeah. And I'm so grateful for the support that you guys have given me throughout this year. You guys didn't have to. I always say this, but you did, and for that I have to tell you thanks all the time. It means a lot, trust me, guys. So with this look today, I feel like I just really want the lash to take the look, because since recently I've been really into my go-to routine, which I haven't published that video as it, and I need to publish it, because I've been just really simple with my makeup routine since recently. Like, I've been focusing more on skin, even though skin has never been a big issue to me until the other day when I got that breakout. Like, trust me, it was a wake-up call. Like, girl, you better not neglect your skin again. I'm making sure to take care of it. And so I just love the simplicity. All right, so I'm going to go into my Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take Cafecito, which is this brown here. I feel like I haven't done eyeshadow in such a long time. I know we're approaching the new year and stuff, and you know, everybody always say them have New Year's resolution. Like, I want to know what you guys' New Year's resolution is. You can go ahead and just, you know, comment it down below in the comment section. Let me know. Let's talk. My New Year's resolution is, even though this is not the New Year's, but you know, we're like, trust me, the days are going by super fast. Like, I just wanna be better in terms of my fitness goals. I honestly, that journey right now as we speak, it's a very unpredictable journey, very unpredictable. I'm just willing to put in the work, and wherever it takes me, it takes me. It's as simple as that. Trust me, it's as simple as that. Because sometimes you can't really count your chickens before it hatch. Sometimes you just need to make sure you're putting in the work and focusing on just that, and then at the end of the day, trust me, you will get the results that you deserve. Don't think about the finish line without focusing on the actual process. You know, I try to remind myself of those little things each and every day, so I don't get carried away, you know. And wherever it takes me, just try to proceed with a very positive attitude. I'm gonna use my Gabriella's Cosmetics Metallic Eyes, and these have some gorgeous shadows in them. So I'm gonna be using First Class. I'm gonna spray a little bit of my Sister Cosmetics spray, you know, give it that super foiled look. Whoa, that's pigmented. Oh my god, this is lit. So it's not like I'm doing a cut crease or anything with this. Kind of just blending it out on my eye. Yes, guys, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. And this is a Jamaican owned brand, okay? Shout out to Gabriella's Cosmetics. Like, leading up to my birthday, I was feeling like, oh my gosh, you know, I don't know, for some strange reason this year. And then now that my birthday is here, it's like I'm feeling like blah. That's why years gone by, I really haven't like done anything, because I don't know, when it comes around, I feel like, I don't know, probably after doing all the up and down and stuff, like I just feel like blah at the end, and then when it gone now, I'm like, you know, me should do this, you know, me should do that, like. But I just don't like to force anything, you know. If I feel a certain way, I like to be like, I'm very chill. Sometimes I just like to go with the flow. Problem with that is that sometimes things just go really boring. But that's kind of how I'm feeling now. I'm not like super like, oh my gosh, you know. So guys, I've seen these lashes in Annabelisa from the other day and I had to get them. This is in the style Saya. So they're very bold, and so I feel like these are really going to just give the look a oomph. But they're definitely long for me, so I'm gonna have to cut these a bit. Like, this is not the type of lash that every and anybody will go for. This is really long, so I definitely need to cut it. Oh, guys, you see that? I'm gonna dust away the powder I was using to bake. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my face with my Petite-Sue spray. For lippy, I'm gonna be very neutral, guys. You know the drill. I'm just gonna dab a bit of my Melania More matte lip cream in number 29, Sweetie. I'm gonna put on some clear lip gloss over this. So that's really, really nice. I went ahead and unraveled the hair. Isn't that gorgeous? Like, that is gorgeous. Like, beautiful, beautiful curls. And this is straight hair. That is pretty much it for this look. Guys, if you're interested in this wig, I'll put the link to it down below in my description box, so you can go ahead and check it out. Yes, don't forget to use my discount code SUE15 and Petite10 if you want to get dollars off, and you can go ahead and click my direct RPG hair page link. It's the first link in the description box, so you know, go ahead, get some dollars off, support your girl. I really appreciate it. Guys, don't forget, January 5th, Divine and I, we're having a party, Rep Your Swag, January 5th, by St. Lucia Car Park, New Kingston. I'd highly appreciate the support, guys. Just come out, dress fashionable, just get ready to turn up, get lit. You can get tickets now at Shop Necessities, Bargain Mall Half a Tree, Islands Coffee's Cafe, at Devon House, and always stay connected at Boulevard Shopping Center. Very, very affordable. General tickets are only 1,500 Jamaican dollars. VIP 2,500 Jamaican dollars, and that's pre-sold. If you go ahead and buy at the gate, then you definitely know that it's more. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So until then, bye.